Are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
First of all, may I know your name, please?
Sure, sir. My name's Omar Farooq. My friends and all my family members call me Farooq. If you feel comfortable, you may call me Farooq. It's my nickname, sir.
Does your name have any special meaning?
I think my name has a powerful meaning.
Okay, what is the meaning of your name?
Truth or...
Shottobadi,
Yes, sir.
if I am not wrong. Well, Mr. Farooq, what do you do?
Sir, I'm a student, but beside my studies, when I get free time, I go outside for selling coffee.
Oh, I'm really proud to hear that. May Allah bless you with long life and success. How often do you usually buy roses?
So to be honest, I didn't buy rose.
Never.
Never ever.
How do you usually spend your leisure time?
I catch up on current news through the social media. Sometimes I scroll Facebook, social media. It's my habit.
Do you like listening to music in your free time?
So to be honest, I don't like music because when I listen music, I feel headache. It's not good for me.
Oh, I see. This is true. It happens with everybody. Well, do you know how to recite the Holy Quran?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When did you first learn how to recite the Holy Quran?
It was about 6 or 7 years ago. That time I studied Nurani Madrasa. That time there was a Huzur. That Huzur taught me.
Okay. In your opinion, what is the best book in the world?
In my opinion, the best book is Quran, because Quran is the most powerful book in our world.
Okay. Sounds perfect. Well, why is English important to a person?
In this time, many things are really difficult without English, and if I know English, I can learn many things from the internet. And in this time, English is very important for every person, for every student, because it is used all over the world and it is international language.
How long have you been learning English?
I studied for about 2 years. I studied with Rahas Englishkar online classes.
Online classes. How do you enjoy the classes of our esteemed Rahat sir?
Sir, I really enjoy his class because when he teaches anything, his teaching style is very perfect and natural, and I like so much him.
Okay, Mr. Omar Farooq, do you want to improve your English skills in the future?
Yes, sir. I wanna be fluent in English. It's my
Okay.
dream.
Okay, may Allah accept your dream. Well, now I'm going to ask you the last question. If you become a millionaire one day, what things you are going to do?
If I get the chance, then I will change something, because if I had much money, I will try to change our educational system. But because as a student, suppose me, I know Bangladeshi educational system is quite hard, because Bangladeshi educational system has some rules, structure, but in my perspective, I don't like that type of rules.
Well, what things will you change first?
I will first change our medical sector and educational sector.
And what do you want to do in the next 5 years?
In the next 5 years, I will be a teacher.
Thank you very much, Mr. Farooq. This is the end of your speaking test. May Allah bless you with long life and endless success.